My name is Steve Tiso. We're at Apple Ridge Farms in Camino, California, and we are about midway through our season now. During springtime and leading into harvest, we just keep the irrigation under control, keep the weeds at bay. We do bring in a crew of people, skilled labor, that come in and pick the apples into bins. After the trees are hand harvested, they go to a dormant state. They prepare for winter, and then in the spring, we prune the trees and fertilize them, and then get ready for the next season. Pruning is important to promote sunlight into the cavity of the tree. If there's too much shade, the apples won't ripen on the interior portion of the tree. I think it's the cool nights that bring the sweetness into the apple. It's kind of like a grape where you need some heat and then cool nights, and this area that we're in allows that.